Hello everyone, today we have a 2021 Toyota RAV4 XLE Premium. And that is running absolutely like new. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. So it does have fog lights up front, alloy wheels. Dual exhaust. There's a shot of the interior. It does have a power liftgate. RAV4s are a little bit longer now. They have more cargo space to them. Here's a shot of that leather interior. And then you also have a sunroof. Two driver presets, and I'll go ahead and show you the VIN right here, and I will upload some still photos as well. Okay. Alright, and as you look down here, you'll see that it has only 8,482 miles on this vehicle. And then you got your push to talk, your cruise control, your trip computer toggles, push button start. Then you have your climate controls right here, along with heated front seats. And then you have a power supply down here, and then a USB port right there. And there's your shifter, park brake. There's eco, normal, and sport modes. Okay, and then here's your key fob, cup holders, and then you have two additional USB ports right there. Glove compartment, and then right here the audio is off right now, so we'll turn that over. You see that you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth.
Unfortunately, it closes.
So that sounds good. There's your source list right there, and then there's your home, and then your menu. And once you have your phone plugged in, it'll have additional options as well. And then if you wanted to add navigation to it, it is prepped for that. There you go, there's your backup camera. And then as you come up here, you got your map reading light. Yeah, there it is right there. That's with buttons. And then you have your glasses holder. And then your controls for your sunroof. That about does it for this RAV4 on the interior. Seats are very comfortable. Alright, this particular vehicle has a branded title. It was vandalized, and so the wheels were stolen off of it. Obviously the airbags are not deployed. There's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.